Hello everyone, this is a DIY video of Smart Soil Moisture Controller. In this video, we will control the moisture of soil with the help of motor, that is pump. We have hardware side as well as software side. In our hardware side, we have microcontroller board, that is NodeMCU, and relay to control the pump. And we have soil moisture sensor. The sensor is here and its module is here. We have also used breadboard and some jumpers wires for that. So let make the connection first. First we have to connect the sensors PCC to the 3 volt of our node MCU. Then it's ground to the ground of MCU pins. You can choose any pins, that is ground. And now we are going to connect the output of this sensor, which is digital, to our any of the digital pins which is available in our node MCU. And in this project I'm going to connect it with D2 digital pin of node MCU. And then let's move to the connection of relay. This is VCC pin. VCC pin will goes to 3 volt to the node MCU. Then I am going to connect the second input of the relay to T0 pin of the node MCU. Then the last connection is the ground of the relay will be connected to the ground of our node MCU. So we have connected the sensor as well as the input side of the relay. Now it's time to connect the output side of the relay to pump. I had made two connections of my pump. One is connected to the positive one is connected to the 3 volt, and I had connected the negative one here. This is the wire of negative one, and I'm connecting it here. I'm taking the output of the relay to the pin NO, that is not connected, and the common pin. So the green one is the NO pin, and I'm connecting it to the other pins of the pump, and the other pin, that is the yellow one, will be connected to the ground. So I had connected all the connections required for this project. Now the hardware side is done, the connection is done. For a kind of information, this is our tank, and this is a demonstration of our pot. So that I had inserted in the tank, and the output of the motor is in the pot. So as you all know that this is an IoT project, so I'm going to use server, which is Blink. For that we have to open an Blink app, which is available in your Play Store. So this is Blink app. Then click on new project. Give a name of your project. I'm giving soil notification. Then we have to select the board. From here we are using NodeMCU, so for that you have to select NodeMCU board. Then the connection type is Wi-Fi, and the theme, you can choose any one of the themes, dark and light. I will choose dark. Finally click on create button below. Now he's saying that the token, the authentication will be sent on your email address that you had registered earlier. So click on OK. Now here we got the window. So for, and now we have to collect in the black screen, and we have to choose a notification block. This is notification block, and I had selected the notification block. Now I'm selecting the button, and now you have to click on the button icon, and you have to choose the pins that you have used in your code. So in my case, I had connected the pump to D0 pin of the NodeMCU. So I'm going to select the D0 pin. Now click on OK, and drag the switch to switch mode. Now the connection of button is done. Now this is all about our software side. Now we will move toward the authentication that the Blink server had sent us at our email address. So here's my authentication token. We have to copy it, and then we have to put it here. We have to replace the code with our new token. So we got to know about the hardware side. Now let's move toward the software side. So this is our code. Here we have used ESP Wi-Fi library because we are using NodeMCU. So we have to select the this ESP library, and we are using the Blink servers. For that, we have to use this library. Now this is our authentication token that the Blink server has sent us, and this is the defining of the pin. That is, my sensor is connected to pin 4, and that is G2. And these are the two variables that I use in the in this code. I will explain you later in this code. So now first let's see on the setup code. In the setup, I started the communication, that is serial.begin, and then I started the communication with the Blink server by providing it the authentication and our hotspot credential. This is pin mode to define the pin configuration, that is input or output. In our case, we have used sensor, that is soil sensor, and you all know that the sensor is always input. Now move toward a loop. We have started the loop by providing this code blink.run. Then we are reading the sensor data with the help of digital read, and then we have used some logics here, by the help of which we get to know about the soil not soil moisture. So in if blocks, we are sensing the sensor state. If sensor state is 1 and last state, which I had which I had inserted in the beginning, that is last state is 0. If this is the condition, then a notification will be sent to our mobile that to water your plant, and if not, then the other block will be excluded. So let's upload the code. For that, you have to go to tools, select the board. I have already selected the board, that is NodeMCU module. Now check the port. Perfect. Then click on upload button. As you can see that the code is uploading. So right now code had uploaded. So open your mobile app, that is Blink app. and open the project and then click on the play button that is here, top right corner. Now the code is started to working. So I had uploaded the code and now the code is working. So I had to open the app and you can see that the pot is full with water and the red one is both light is blinking. So I'm going to empty the pot, and whenever it will get empty, it will send a notification at blink app. Here you can see that I got a notification, and as you can see the pot is empty. It is empty now. There is very few water in this, and the sensor is not able to detect that water. So and we have used button here to control the our pump. So after getting notification you can turn on the switch, turn on the motor. So click on that button and the motor start working, what filling the tank, sorry, pot. As you can see that the motor is working. So this is all about our project. Thank you.